In this exercise, you will connect QuickSight to Amazon Redshift and join two tables, flight data and weather data. To analyze the relationship between weather conditions and flight cancellations, you will configure a multi-field inner join and build a pivot table from the combined dataset. Let's begin by navigating to the home page. If necessary, click the QuickSight logo. Next, select Datasets, and then Create Dataset. In the Create Dataset window, click Create Data Source. Select Amazon Redshift, not Amazon Redshift Auto-Discovered, and click Next. In the new Amazon Redshift Data Source dialog box, configure as follows. Set data source name to Redshift-QuickSight class. Set connection type to Public Network. Enter the database server address provided in the course materials. Set port to 5439. Set database name to dev. Enter the username and password provided in the course materials. Click Validate Connection to confirm connectivity. Click Create Data Source. In the Choose Your Table dialog box, select the schema QuickSight_class and the table Feb_2021 flights. Click Edit Preview Data. In the Data Preparation screen, name the dataset Redshift-Join. Select Data, then Add Data. In the resulting dialog, select Data Source from the dropdown. Select Redshift-QuickSight class and click Select. In the Add Data dialog box, select Schema QuickSight_class, then select Feb_2021_weather and click Select. Back in the data preparation screen, click the plus sign associated with Feb_2021_flights and click Join. In the Configure panel for the join at the bottom of the interface, configure as follows. Under Write Table, select Feb_2021_weather. Under Join Type, select the Inner Join icon. Under Join Keys, select IATA for both tables. Add a second set of join keys connecting flight_date and date. On the canvas, select the plus sign associated with the Join 1 component and select Columns. In the Configure panel for Select Columns, click Select All, and then in the list of selected columns that displays, remove flight_date and IATA.1. On the canvas, select the plus sign associated with the Select Columns 1 component and select Rename Columns. In the Configure panel for Rename Columns, located at the bottom of the interface, select IATA.2 and rename it to IATA. In the upper right portion of the interface, select Save and Publish. Click the Amazon QuickSight logo to return to the home page. Under Recents, click to open B-Data Sources. In the B-Data Sources analysis, select Data, and then select Add Dataset. Select the Redshift-Join Dataset and click Select. Then close the dialog box. Select the plus sign next to the existing tabs to add a new sheet. In the resulting dialog box, accept the defaults and click Add. Name the new sheet Redshift-Join. In the Visuals pane, select the pivot table icon. In the Data pane, select the drop-down menu associated with Tmin and select Convert to Measure. Configure the pivot table as follows. Drag Date to the rows well. Drag IATA to the columns well. Drag Tmin to the values well. Drag Canceled to the values well. In the values well, click the drop-down associated with Tmin and select Aggregate, and then select Min. Joins combine data from multiple tables based on matching values. An inner join returns only records where matches exist in both tables. For weather flight analysis, inner join is appropriate because we only want to analyze flights where we have corresponding weather data.